Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss electrophilic substitution reactions of aromatic ethers. Now in case of aromatic ethers, alkoxy group is directly attached to the benzene ring and oxygen is a key atom which bear two lone pair of electrons. And remember, lone pair and oxygen can be donated to the ring. Thus, alkoxy group attached to the benzene ring is activating and ortho para directing. So it is evident from these resonating structures. So anisole, aromatic ether, which can be represented as are having these resonating structures. Now it is evident from the resonating structure number 2, 3 and 4 that at ortho and para position electron density is greater. Thus electrophile prefer to attack at ortho and para position. Now let us see some of the electrophilic substitution reactions of anisole. Anisole is one of the finest examples of aromatic ether. So very first electrophilic substitution reaction to be explained, bromination reaction. Now bromination reaction is reaction of anisole with what? Bromine, and right here bromonium ion is an attacking electrophile. So when anisole is treated with bromine in presence of acetic acid, then we receive two different products, out of which one of the product is ortho substituted product, that is orthobromoanisole, and other product is para substituted product, that is para bromoanisole with the departure of HBr. Now right here para bromoanisole is a major product and ortho substituted product has a minor yield. Now next, second electrophilic substitution is methylation reaction. Now methylation reaction is a Friedel-Crafts reaction. So methylation is a reaction with methyl halide. Normally we use methyl chloride. So when anisole is treated with methyl chloride, which can be given as CS3Cl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Remember, anhydrous AlCl3 is electrophile initiator. Right here methyl carbonium ion is an electrophile which attacks to the ring, and initiation of that methyl carbonium ion is carried out by AlCl3. Thus it is must and should to use AlCl3, otherwise in Marathi I can say Vaidacha porga gendru khaun mela. Thus we need to use AlCl3 right here. So anisole reacts with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to give mixture of ortho and para substituted product. So one of the products is 2-methoxytoluene and other product is 4-methoxytoluene, which can be given as with the departure of HCl, and 4-methoxytoluene has major yield. Now next electrophilic substitution to be explained is acetylation reaction. Now reaction with acetyl chloride is known as acetylation. Thus anisole reacts with acetyl chloride, which can be given as CS3COCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form mixture of ortho and para substituted products. So one of the products is the 2-methoxyacetophenone, and other product, which is a major product in fact, is 4-methoxyacetophenone with the departure of HCl. Now next electrophilic substitution to be discussed is nitration reaction. So remember, plain nitric acid is not a good nitrating agent, thus we often use nitrating mixture for nitration purposes. Now what is nitrating mixture? Mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is known as nitrating mixture. So when anisole, which can be given as, this is anisole, when heated with mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, then mixture of ortho and para substituted products is obtained. So one of the products is ortho nitro anisole, and other product which happens to be the major product is para nitro anisole with the departure of water. So these are some of the electrophilic substitution reactions of anisole. Thank you very much.